The testing of fluids or liquids. For the testing of bodily fluids, when testing bodily fluids, just know that you need to have permission from the person. Regarding the legalities, you need to know that when testing bodily fluids, it needs to be observed. Testing of bodily fluids will include blood, urine and saliva. Today, we are only showing you the testing of liquids. In this case, we are using urine where we obtained permission. You will take the sponge and dip it into the urine sample. Make sure that the sponge is fully saturated. Take the collection tube, open it, and drain the fluid by squeezing it against the diaphragm of the collection tube. Make sure that you have all the fluid. Then we open the universal buffer tube and put all the universal buffer fluid into our collection tube. Close the lid and shake it for at least 30 seconds. Place the test device on a flat surface and drop 3 drops into each well. Avoid trapping air bubbles in the wells. Wait 10 minutes for the results to show, but no longer than 20 minutes before you read the results. I will show you what a positive, a negative and an invalid test looks like. Although there are lines appearing at the substances, there are no lines at the control area, which makes this invalid. The second test is an example of a negative test. You see lines appearing at the control area as well as lines at the substance area. This is an example of a positive test. There will be a control line appearing in the control area, but no line appearing at PCP and amphetamines, making it a positive test for PCP and amphetamine. You will, however, see a ghost line at cocaine, making cocaine a negative test. When you are testing blood, make sure that you only use 3 drops of blood, as blood tends to clot. You will put the 3 drops of blood in your collection tube, add the universal buffer fluid and shake it for at least a minute.